Are you ready to make some money today? Now, with that being said, I'm going to give you guys some advice on why it's important to envision multiple outcomes to succeed in day trading so that you can make money as a byproduct of trading properly in the online markets. Now, envisioning the outcome. What is that? Well, envisioning the outcome is just in your mind expecting certain outcomes to play out prior to them actually playing out. Now, what does that mean? So let's say you are planning to get in for a bullish buy, and let's say there's three potential outcomes. You can be break even, you can win the trade, and you can lose the trade. So to envision the outcome, you must embody, digest the emotions, the feelings, the psychology, expecting trades to play out in those three certain ways. So let's say prior to the trade happening, you move your stop loss to break even, and the trade's going 50 points in your way, and it starts to come back and stops you at break even. Prior to that happening, meditate, pray, think about it, fully accept the outcome prior to the move happening so that when that actually happens, you're okay with it. This is one of the key reasons why I've become disciplined with my trading, is because I've had to train myself for about 4 weeks straight in the morning to just say, hey, I'm okay with losing. I'm okay with break-even trades, and I'm okay with winning properly. So if the trade comes back to break even, I just breathe. I've already planned for this to happen, envisioning it, planning for it to happen so that when it does happen, I'm 100% okay. Now, does it make it any better? I'm sure it will. Still to this day, I'm like, shucks, right? Like, oh man, I wish this could have played out. But the markets, it's all about randomness, but also protecting yourself to the moves that can happen, right? So let's say I get in for a reversal type of setup and I go into medium. Okay, so I'm looking for the short at the London high for it to keep going down. Let's say I get in for the short and the trade continues to go bullish, right? Prior to entering the trade, I will tell myself, hey, Martin, I am okay with seeing this trade continue going bullish, and I will accept my one loss for the day. And just fully embody those emotions prior to the trade happening so that when it does happen, and if it does happen, you are okay with it, so you don't FOMO into a trade, over leverage into a trade, want to win for some reason in the market to get back your losses because the setup might not even be there. So you're entering at a high probability area, and if it fails, it's best just to walk away for the day. And to do that, envisioning the outcome is going to help you be able to do that with a lot more ease and clarity and peace for your conscious, your mind, your emotions. Now, let's say you accept that you're going to put on a $250 trade and the trade goes in your direction. You've already planned for it, because this can go bad as well. And you're at TP2 and you have a hard take profit at TP4, and you have to continue to tell yourself, hey, there's a lot of upside potential. There's a big figure level. There's a lot of momentum. That's a 79% fib back up to that level. There's a lot of confluence for a price to get to that level. It's a London high. Let's say you're getting on a London low. There's a lot of confluence for price to get there sometime during the day. So let's say price is going in your direction. You're starting to get those emotions of seeing profit on the table. You're break even. So prior to the move happening, you envision that this would have happened, and you have to go through those emotions and remind yourself that, hey, Worst case scenario is, yeah, I'm at TP2 for the day, but my stop is at break even. I am not losing anything for the day. It's all upside potential for here to go where my hard take profit is, because I've done enough back testing to know that there's still profit on the table that could play out. Now, let's say it gets to TP3, you move your stop to a little bit in profit, let's say TP 0.5, 0.4, you have something on the table there, some sort of profit. It has a retracement back to TP1, and then it goes and continues up to TP4. Because you've envisioned this happening, because you're okay with the emotions, because you planned for it, you prayed, you meditated, you envisioned this happening, you're okay with keeping your break-even stop loss for the move, for your planned trade to go to where the take profit is. Now, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment. I am a day trader. I've been trading now for 5 years. I've done scalp trading, momentum, aka penny stocks, for 2 years early in my career. And then I started doing US 30 on the Forex markets, MetaTrader 4 and 5. And then I converted to futures trading, YM1, Dow Jones, which I found a lot of success in. It's a continuation of the Forex Dow Jones. But what I want to do is tell you guys some helpful hints to what's gotten me to this point, to where I'm a funded trader. I've had a payout. I'm taking in 4 combines linked together, and I'm doing really good in them. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like to pass those long term, so that you can get funding to then make payouts. Now, a way to do that is, what is the topic of this video? Envision the outcome. Envision your losses, envision break-even trades, and envision your wins. Stick to the plan, accept those emotions prior to the trade playing out, and you will succeed long-term in this game of day trading. I'll see you guys later.